Ever wondered how a humble dosa became the canvas for a burst of flavors? Today, let's embark on a journey through time and taste buds as we uncover the captivating history of the masala dosa. But before we uncover its secrets, hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Now let's spice things up, shall we? Let's rewind the clock to ancient India, where the story of masala dosa begins. Picture yourself in the bustling kitchens of the Udupi temples in Karnataka, where devotion to food was as sacred as any ritual. It's here that the legend of the masala dosa unfolds. As the aroma of spices filled the air and the clinking of pots echoed through the halls, a humble chef embarked on a culinary experiment. Inspired by the simplicity of rice and lentils, he sought to create a dish that would awaken the senses and satisfy the soul. Mixing together rice and lentil batter, he poured it onto a hot griddle, creating a thin, crispy pancake. But what truly set this creation apart was the filling, a fragrant mixture of mashed potatoes, onions, and spices known as the masala. And thus the masala dosa was born, a symphony of flavors wrapped in a delicate golden shell. It's said that the dosa's elongated shape symbolizes the elongated South Indian rice fields, while the spicy filling represents the diversity of Indian spices. But the legend doesn't end there. As word of this delectable creation spread, it transcended the confines of the temple kitchens, becoming a staple in South Indian cuisine and beyond. From roadside vendors to fine dining establishments, the masala dosa captured hearts and taste buds, evolving with each region's unique culinary flair. As the sun rises over the lush landscapes of South India, families gather around tables adorned with steaming plates of masala dosas. But why is this humble dish more than just a meal? Let's explore its cultural significance. In South India, the masala dosa isn't merely a dish. It's a cultural institution, a culinary tradition passed down through generations. It's a symbol of togetherness, of bonding over shared memories and shared meals. From festive celebrations to everyday breakfasts, the dosa takes center stage, bringing people together in joyous communion. It's a testament to the rich tapestry of South Indian culture, where food is not just sustenance, but a way of life. And let's not forget its versatility. Whether served with a fiery chutney or a cooling coconut sambal, the masala dosa adapts to every palate and preference. It's a culinary canvas, inviting creativity and exploration. But perhaps most importantly, the masala dosa transcends boundaries, uniting people of all backgrounds and beliefs. In a world divided by differences, food has the power to bring us together, to remind us of our shared humanity. Now that we've explored the origins and cultural significance of the masala dosa, let's delve into what makes this iconic dish truly extraordinary. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and awaken your senses. First and foremost, let's talk about that irresistible crunch. The dosa's thin golden exterior crackles with every bite, giving way to a soft, fluffy interior. It's a textural masterpiece, a symphony of crispy perfection. But it's not just about the texture, it's about the explosion of flavors that awaits within. Picture this, a fragrant mixture of mashed potatoes, onions, and spices enveloped in a warm embrace of dosa goodness. And let's not forget the accompaniments. From tangy tomato chutney to cooling coconut sambal, each bite is a journey through a symphony of tastes and sensations. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's always a crowd pleaser. Plus, it's vegetarian-friendly, making it accessible to all. And did I mention it's healthy too? Packed with nutrients and low in calories, it's the perfect guilt-free indulgence. So go ahead, dive into a plate of crispy golden goodness. Your taste buds will thank you. Now, as much as we adore the masala dosa, every dish has its skeptics. Let's address some common criticisms and explore how we can enjoy this beloved dish while addressing concerns about health and nutrition. The masala dosa. Crispy, flavorful, and downright delicious. But I hear you skeptics out there. Some say it's too oily, others worry about its carb content. Well, fear not, we've got solutions. First up, let's tackle the issue of oil. Yes, traditional dosas are cooked in oil, but fear not. By using a non-stick pan and just a touch of oil, we can achieve that perfect crispiness without going overboard. Next, let's talk about those carbs. While dosas are made from rice and lentil batter, they can still fit into a balanced diet with a few tweaks. Consider adding more fiber-rich vegetables to your filling, like spinach, bell peppers, or carrots. Not only do they add flavor and nutrients, but they also help balance out the carb content. And for those watching their waistlines, whole grain dosas are a fantastic option. By using whole grain rice and lentils, we can boost the fiber and nutrient content while keeping you feeling satisfied. With a few simple swaps and adjustments, we can enjoy the deliciousness of masala dosas guilt-free. And there you have it, the tantalizing tale of masala dosa. From its humble beginnings to its modern-day makeover, this dish continues to captivate taste buds around the world. So next time you bite into a crispy dosa, remember the rich history and cultural significance behind it. Until next time, happy eating.